Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up a Shopify account. Shopify can be used to set up a web shop. It's very easy to set up and has a lot of features and apps you can use to make your web shop look just like you want. This is also the most popular platform to start a dropshipping business on, as I did too. In the rest of this playlist, I will show you all kinds of tips and tricks on how to make your webshop or dropship site look professional and appealing to potential buyers. For starters, we will set up a Shopify account. Go to the link below or just type in Shopify in your browser. Next, click on Start Free Trial. This trial is 3 days for free, and after that, the first month will be only $1. This may change from time to time, but you will always get some days for free, and at least a month for only $1. Now fill in your email, choose a password, and click on Create Shopify Account. When done so, you will land on this page. Your account is already made now, but there is still a lot to set up before you can actually begin. As you can see in the bottom right corner, you now have 3 free days. When these 3 days are over, you will have to select a plan. If you are new to Shopify, I suggest going with the basic plan. The other plans are for when you have already grown your webshop. When you've selected a plan, you will have to fill in your credit or debit card info, or you can use PayPal. Finally, you will have to fill in your first name, last name, phone number, address, and your country. This is important to know the tax rates in your country. After filling all of this in, you will see this store is a registered business on the bottom. Select this if you already have a business to start your webshop or dropship site. You will eventually need this if you start making money because you will have to pay taxes. If you do not have a business yet, just leave it unselected. We can do this later on, and I will show you how later in this playlist. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.